guys, I'm Jenna.
And I'm Chloe, and this is Chloe and Jenna vs. Wild.
And today we're going to teach you about how to find edible plants in nature.
Today we are foraging through the Mount Pleasant wilderness looking for anything that we can eat that is safe and can help us survive if we are stranded in the wild.
Whether you're a hiker, climber, or canoeer, there's always a chance of getting lost.
Okay, getting lost means that you'll be spending extra time in the woods, so it's important to be able to find food for yourself.
Yeah.
Oh, there are a few different food sources in the Mount Pleasant wild. They're insects, plants, and mushrooms.
One of the keys is knowing where these food sources are. Insects might be found under a log, while mushrooms may be found at the base of trees.
And plants obviously are all over the ground.
One common mushroom in the mid-Michigan wilderness is chicken of the woods. It can be identified because it is commonly found on trees and is generally an orange shade.
When it comes to bugs, make sure that you only eat insects with 6 legs and an exoskeleton, not spiders or centipedes. In the event that you run out of water, you can go to any water source and collect it and then boil it over a fire.
This will help purify it. Another source is snow. You're able to boil that as well for the same results.
Okay. A couple of the easy to identify plants are wild strawberries, and you can identify them because they are close to the ground and they have green leaves with little red berries. Another source of nutrients can be found in pine needles, which can be boiled to make a type of tea.
So we know this is a white pine because of the long needles.
Mm-hmm.
Due to these harsh spring conditions, it's a little difficult to find food out here. There are so many available food sources in the wild, it's hard to identify all of them.
So there are a few key characteristics to avoid. Milky or discolored sap, spines, thorns, or fine hairs, beans or bulbs, or dill, carrot, or parsley-like leaves, and 3-leaved growth patterns like poison ivy.
Also poison oak.
Yes.
Another common mushroom in the Michigan wilderness is a Michigan morel. These can be found practically anywhere.
This plant is white mustard. It can be identified because it is a tall plant with little yellow flowers at the top. What's over here? Oh my god, I'm so hungry, a mushroom!
It looks like dryad saddle. Those are native to Michigan.
That's definitely it. Alright. Cheers.
Cheers.
Yummy.
Yum. We hope you learned a lot and are now able to identify, prepare, and know a few things to avoid in the wilderness.
Now, if you're ever stranded in the Michigan wilderness, you can survive. Let's go. Okay.
Okay. We know this is a white pine because of the way it is.
Oh.